Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So this time we're going to create a powerful presentation using the Gamma app. It is used to create a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. If you are a business owner or teacher or a student, and this is for you. Okay, so the first step is you're going to create an account. Of course, first is you're going to have this one, the website, then create an account. Then, right after creating your account, you can access this one, the create new AI. Then, in this area, we have here the paste or the copy paste. Then, the general, which is the popular in creating PowerPoint presentation with very engaging design. Or you can have here the import file from the URL. So, we're going to access this one, the generate. In this area, in this dashboard, you can have your kung ilan yung cards na gagamitin mo or slides. So, each card represent your slide. So, I'm going to use at least 5 cards. Then, default, default design, or you can have your traditional design. It's up to you. Then, of course, you're going to use the English language. Then in this area, you can have here your topic. So for my subject, I'm going to use the COC2, which is the networks. So this time, we're going to generate the outline. Okay, so the website, automatic po guys na gumagawa ng PowerPoint. So this one, so double check mo natin guys. So understanding the networks, types of networks. We have here the LAN, the WAN, the MAN. 3, the benefits of the network, efficiency and collaboration, network and security, futures, trends and networking. Okay, so in this field, you can use your teams. You can have here the Daydream, the Seafoam, the Icebreaker, the Wine. So it's up to you guys. So I'm going to use a Seafoam here as my default themes for this PowerPoint presentation. So in this area, you can have here your brief or medium or detailed. It's up to you. So in this image source, you can have here your stock photos, AI image, illustration, your GIF. So I'm going to use AI images so that this website will generate its own images for the PowerPoint presentation. Okay guys, so I'm going to generate this one. Bali po, yung AI na po yung gagawa ng PowerPoint presentation. Okay, maghintay po tayo guys. Okay, so this time, the artificial intelligence in this website, automatic na po guys nagagawa ng slide for you para po hindi na kayo mahirapan sa paggawa ng slide. Sabi ko kanina, if you're a teacher, business owner, or a student, and this is for you. Okay, check natin. So, kanina guys, I use 5 cards. So, ibig sabihin, there are only 5 slides for this PowerPoint presentation. So, di ba? So, number 1, this one, the number 1, the number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So, ganyan po guys ka-powerful ang artificial intelligence when it comes or using it in the education. Diba? We have here understanding the networks, topic of course, the networks, LAN and WAN, and more. So, the benefits of networks, efficiency and collaboration, the network security, the risk, then the future trends and networking. So, therefore, para tayo uh, makuha natin yung PowerPoint presentation, or you can have here the export file. So you can export this file as PDF, PowerPoint, Google Slides, or export as PNG. So in my case, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to export the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, check natin kung na-download na ba guys yung ginawa nating PowerPoint. So, you can access in the three dots. Then, downloads. Check natin yung downloads kung andyan na ba. So, check natin. Okay, double check natin guys. So, double check natin kung mayroon nang lumabas. Okay. Okay, so we hi guys. So kanina nag-export tayo ng file. So ito na po siya guys. I-check niyo ang download file para po ma-access natin yung kanina na ginawa natin sa Gamma app. Then we're going to open this file, of course. Okay guys, so this time we have already our Microsoft PowerPoint using the Gamma app. So sana po guys, marami kayong natutunan for today's session. Don't forget to follow and subscribe my channel. Then, nandyan po guys sa baba yung link nito papunta sa Gamma app. Thank you po. God bless.